Part 4.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. How to make this type of video. Let's make
this type of videos. First of all, add keyframe. Select the basic. Add keyframe. Click a position and change the positions of this image. It will make a perfect keyframe. Add more and more. Copy, duplicate this image. Again duplicate. You will be check this video. Easily make this type of video. It convert to 4K. Please like and subscribe. Let's convert to 4K. Exporting. Please wait for exporting. Exporting done. Add a new project. Select Ronaldo image. Add overlay. Select red color overlay. Go to mask. Select star option. Please subscribe and like. Copy this image. Make a format. Copy more. Select the circle. Put a mod. add overlay, select the other paper, other image, YouTube. Thanks for watching.